How to use array, mirror, fillet, offset, chamfer, and trim in AutoCAD. Welcome back everyone, this is Fillet Graphics and I'm by name Asolu. How to use array in AutoCAD. First, you select the object to be arrayed. After that, you press the array command, that is AR. You set the columns to 1. After that, you type the number of rows that you need. Yes. After that, you give it a distance from center to center. For this, we use 3 feet center to center. Here is the array. That is center to center, 3 feet. That's approximately 900 millimeters. Thank you. How to use the mirror command. You select the line to be mirrored. You press the mirror command MI. After that, you specify your midpoint and click. After that, you type N and enter. How to use offset command. You select the object. After that, you press the O for your shortcut. And you offset it. How to use trim command. You select the lines. After that, you trim using trim command of TR plus enter. We trimmed. How to use fillet command. You press F. After that, you specify your radius using R. After that, you give the radius distance. Example, we choose 1 inch. That's approximately 25 millimeters. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Also share. Thank you, because it helps us a lot. Thank you. How to use the chamfer command. Chamfer command is CHA plus enter. After that, you select the lines to be chamfer. You select the lines to be chamfered as I said earlier. Okay, let's select this one plus this one plus this one. Plus this one, chamfer. Okay, let's select this one plus this one. Let's select again this one. Okay. That's how to use the chamfer command. How to use trim command again. TR for the trim command plus enter. After that, you select the lines which you don't want to be trimmed. After that, you just trim the lines which needs to be trimmed. Okay, you select it. You select the line that you don't want to be trimmed. You select it. You select it. Okay, you select it. You select this one too. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fillet Graphics. Stay blessed until we meet again next time. God bless you, everyone. Thank you.